I just got back from my first sober vacation ever, and I'm so proud of myself, but I want to show you guys how I drank on this same vacation last year, so let's go. That is the amount of a bottle I would be having. As soon as we got to our Airbnb, I put this down and I started pouring some shots. First got there and I took a shot. Number 2. Then I unpacked all my stuff. My husband was like, dang, you're starting to drink early, but I didn't care because I wanted to be drunk. We were on the lake and I took another. As soon as we got there, we wanted to kayak, so we got the kayaks, we got everything set. My husband was walking the kayaks down to the lake, so I grabbed a water bottle. This is all I have to show you guys. And I poured my vodka into the water bottle, and it looked like water, so I just took it with me, and my husband thought that I had water. So he grabbed his beer, and I had my water, and he was like, do you want a drink? And I was like, no, I took shots in the house, I'm fine. So then I would just drink straight vodka while we were kayaking. Some people ask if I chug vodka. I did. It didn't bother me because I was so used to it. It hurt, but it was fine. I didn't care. Fine. And then my husband realized later it was vodka, and he was like, holy crap, you're drinking all of that? And I was like, please don't give me a problem with it. I'm bigger, so I just don't get as drunk as fast. We were on vacation, so he let it be, and I kept drinking. We'd come back for dinner and I would pour some shots. He was outside sitting on the balcony. Whoa, whoops. And I was making dinner, and so he didn't see me, but I was taking shots. We met some neighbors. They came over, so I would take more shots. We went to the pool. We had a great time. More shots. So you'd think, Heather, you just had a whole 750 milliliters of vodka, like, you're good for the night. No, I was not. I asked my husband to go get me some more at the little corner store, and he did give me a problem with it, and I was like, please, we're on vacation, it's not a big deal. When he got back and we drank, I drank another, not a whole bottle, but this much. This is 375 milliliters of vodka, so there was still half left. But I drank that whole bottle of what I showed you, and then this much. I did that every day. That's why I had the worst hangover of my life. I was fainting on the way back, and I was miserable. It was the start of me being like, I don't know how to get out of this. And I was very emotional, and a few days after that, I quit my job because I was so hungover and so depressed. And today I celebrate 394 days sober, went on that same vacation and stayed sober the whole time. So things do change. And